Kawasaki has definitely upped its game with the new Z500. Replacing the beloved Z400 was no small task, but this bike manages to feel like a genuine step up. The first thing you'll notice is the styling. It inherits the aggressive Sugomi design language from its bigger brothers, the Z900 and Z650, making it look far more expensive and meaner than its price tag suggests. The new LED headlight, muscular tank, and sharp lines give it a real presence on the road that its predecessor lacked. At its heart lies the new 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. The bump in displacement translates to a noticeable increase in power and, more importantly, torque. In the city, it's an absolute joy. The power delivery is smooth and linear, with a strong pull from low revs that makes filtering through traffic and overtaking effortless. It never feels strained. On the highway, it holds 110 to 120 kilometers per hour comfortably, feeling stable and planted. The handling is where it truly shines. It's incredibly agile and lightweight, flicking through corners with ease and feeling supremely confident. The suspension is on the stiffer side, which is great for stability but can feel a bit jarring on really broken roads. The brakes are strong, and the inclusion of dual-channel ABS is the essential safety net. So who is it for? It's a fantastic, well-rounded package for a new rider looking for something that's manageable but won't feel boring quickly. It's also perfect for an urban commuter who wants a stylish, fun, and practical daily ride. While it faces stiff competition, the Z500's winning combination of killer looks, a punchy new engine, and razor-sharp handling makes it one of the most compelling bikes in the segment. Just be prepared for a slightly firmer ride and a basic instrument cluster.